Okay, now we're going to talk about how to create various resources to give to students. The first type of resource that we're going to talk about is something called a label. A label can be something very simple, just simple text along these lines. If I show you the Moodle about Moodle, each one of these is a label. It can certainly be just a couple of words, one word, it can be multiple sentences. You can do formatting in it as far as font sizes, color, those types of things. Um, it actually can also be used as a way of embedding content into directly into the main body of your Moodle course, such as a YouTube video or Quizlet or something like that. So let's show you how to do it. First of all, we got to have editing turned on, and then we go through add an activity or resource. And first, we're going to focus on resources. So down here at the bottom is the label. And again, it gives you a little detail on what a label is. I'm just going to click on add. It's one of the simplest types of things, as I mentioned, so there's very few options that you have to fill in. There's only one thing that's required, which is the label text itself. So I could say something like intro to algebra, or whatever the particular topic might be. If I hit show editing tools, you'll see the additional font features and some of those types of things. So as you might expect, I can do things like changing the font style, changing the size, changing the text color, um, whatever you want to do there. Okay, and any of the other stuff in here as well. And like I said, you can type more. Maybe I want the heading to be one thing, but I want the rest of it to be just a standard size and standard color. You can see that I still have it on bold, so maybe I don't want that turned on anymore. Okay, so that's the basics of it. If I do a save and return to course, then it will take me back and it'll show me what my label looked like. And because I hit the enter key while I was in there, you can see that it did wrap around to the second line. If I want to make any adjustments to that, I can hit the update button, and then I could edit my text, change the formatting on the text, any of those types of things. There's really not a whole lot to show here as far as settings. I can do a show or hide, which is the same as the eyeball back on the main list. And then if you're doing completion tracking, there are some options for that as well, but I'm not going to get into that right now.